So for this pattern, the man is going to do a walk around turn. But let's start. With a crossover, 1, 2, 3, and cha, cha, cha. Ladies and men's crossover, rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Second crossover, rock, step, and cha, 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 rock, step. I'm going to lead the lady into an underarm turn, and cha, 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 step, turn. Now here, cha, 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 I reposition my hand so that it's on the bottom. We go into another crossover, rock, step, and cha, cha, cha. Now we do a walk around turn. Now ladies, you already know your turn. A man steps across with his right, replaces his weight onto his left, and we end up facing each other for a cha, cha, cha. So let's do the whole thing again. We're stepping 1, 2, 3, cha, cha, crossover 1, cha, 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 crossover 2, cha, 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 crossover 3, ladies underarm turn, 2, 3, pick her back up, crossover, 2, 3, and walk her around, step, turn, and cha, cha, cha.